A burette is used to deliver variable quantities of liquid. Burettes usually have a capacity of 50 cubic centimetres, but smaller ones are sometimes used. The solution is delivered through a stopcock, which may be made of glass or of PTFE. Check that the tap turns easily. If it's stiff, it must be taken apart and cleaned. A glass tap would then need to be carefully greased. Clamp the burette vertically. On a 50 cubic centimetre burette, the clamp should be around the 35 cubic centimetre mark. Take care not to crack the glass by over-tightening the clamp. Place a beaker under the burette and a funnel in the top. Pour some of the reagent solution into a clean, dry, labelled beaker. Pour in some of the solution until the burette is about half full. Raise the funnel a little to allow the air out easily. Notice that the section below the tap is still empty. Fully open the tap and check the flow rate. If it's rather slow, the tap or spout may be partially blocked and will need to be cleaned. Also, check that there are no leaks from the tap. A leak can sometimes be cured by pressing the tap into the barrel more firmly, but support the burette stem with the other hand, otherwise you may crack the burette in the clamp. Make sure that the tap still turns freely, then close it. Remove the funnel, then take the burette out of the clamp. Placing a gloved finger over the top, run the solution up and down the burette a few times to rinse it. Pour the rinsings into the waste beaker. Open the tap to release the liquid in the spout, then close it again. Repeat the rinsing with another portion of fresh reagent solution. Reclamp the burette and replace the funnel. Then fill the burette slowly until the solution is about a couple of centimetres above the 0 mark. Remove the funnel and check that there are no bubbles trapped on the sides. Tapping the burette should remove any that are there. If any bubbles remain, the burette is dirty and must be cleaned with detergent before rinsing it again with reagent solution. Place the waste beaker under the burette, then open the tap and ensure that the spout is completely filled with solution. If any air is trapped here and it is lost during the delivery, the measurement of the volume will be incorrect. Adjust the angle of the clamp so that the burette is vertical. Finally, adjust the position of the burette so that its tip will enter a titration flask, but leave enough room for the flask to be removed when tilted.